Hello student, welcome back in the online class of General Knowledge. Today we will do revision of chapter 35 and 36. Okay, so all of you open your GK book. See, as I told you, now we will do revision. See, adventure sports. Adventure sports need a lot of practice, precautions and patience. These sports can be extremely dangerous and life-threatening. It is quite risky. We should have great practice before participating in these sports. Now we have to identify the adventurous sports with the help of these pictures. See, first one, skiing. SKIING. It is done on ice with the help of ski and two sticks. Okay. Next one, diving under sea is known as scuba diving. For this, one should be practiced and need some special things to go or dive under sea. As you can see in the picture, he is having oxygen cylinder, mask. Okay, so necessary things are required. Third one is ice climbing. To climb on high mountains which is covered with ice. Okay, for this also one must be practiced and one should have always be careful. Next one is bungee jumping. For this, one has to be enough courageous. For all the adventurous sport, one must be courageous. In this, harness means necessary things are tied with the person. Then he will jump from a great height. Then see, paragliding. This one is also adventurous sports. To glide in air with the help of parachute. Skateboarding. For this, one must have to do practice a lot to balance on a skateboard. Next one is river rafting. It is done in rivers. Rivers, somewhere it is having slopes, somewhere it is quite dangerous. They always should be very careful. And next one is jorbing. In jorbing, as you can see, one big ball shaped, one more ball is there inside the ball. After sitting in it, someone needs to push it. Then it will move slowly on gentle slope. From this chapter, you have to learn the names of the adventurous sports. Okay, you have to learn all the names of the adventure sports with correct spelling. See, your next topic is cinematic awards. Already I have taught you these topics. Here, you have to learn the names of the actor or actress who won this award in which year and for what. Okay. See, first one, for best actor in 2019, Rami Malek got award for the movie Bohemian Rhapsody. For best actress, Olivia Colman for the movie The Favorite. And for Best Supporting Actor, Mahershala Ali for the movie Green Book. Now come to the topic National Awards. In 2019, Best Actor Ayushmann Khurrana. For the movie he has gotten award is Andhadhun. Best Actress Kirti Suresh for movie Mahanti. Best Supporting Actress Surekha Sikri for Badhai Ho. Now she is no more. You have to learn these actor and actresses' name, okay, and the movie's name also for which they have gotten awards. One more chapter, chapter number 37, Movies Fiesta 2019. Oscar Award for Best Movie, Green Book. Okay, Green Book movie has won Oscar Award for Best Movie. Oscar Award for Best Animated Movie, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. For example, if there will be question in your examination that which movie has won has won Oscar Award for Best Movie in 2019, the answer will be Green Book. Okay, and which movie has won Oscar Award for Best Animated Movie? Your answer will be Spider-Man. Okay, so you have to learn the names of the movie, which award they have received and in which year. Oscar Award for Best Documentary Movie, period, end of sentence. Andhadhun has won National Award for Best Movie. And Best Educational Movie is Sharla Virla. National Award for Best Movie on Social Issues, movie Padman. Okay, so students, today's homework is to revise topic number 35, 36 and 36. You have to learn the names of the movies, actor, actresses, and the names of the adventurous sports. Okay, the adventurous sports. Revise the topic carefully and learn the work. Thank you. God bless you all.